Hi, my name is Jessica, and today with my partner, we're going to present the chapter number 3 called Customer Service and Logistics. It is also important to understand that customer service requirements can and, can and will differ not just between industries and companies, but additionally between the market segments that a business might serve. Finally, there is a need to balance the level of service provided with the cost of the provision importance. The core product concerns the item itself, the technical content, the product features, the easy of use, the style of the quality. The service elements, which can be called the product surround, represent the available of the product, the easy of ordering, the speed of delivery, and after sales supports. All of these different aspects can be key requisites of a good customer service offering. Indeed, each of them may be essentially to ensure that a product achieves its expected sales in the various markets where it is made available.
Well, the components of consumer service. Logistics consumer service elements can thus be divided into the three categories that reflect the natural timing of the particular service requirements. Number one, pre-transaction elements. These are consumer service factors that arise prior to the actual transaction taking place. Number two, transaction elements. These are the elements directly relative to the physical um, transaction uh, and are those are most commonly concerned with distribution and logistics. Number three, post-transaction elements. These involving those elements that occurring after the delivery has taken place.
Developing a customer service policy. We have 13. The major steps can be the first one it is clarify the purpose and objectives. Second, identify any specific information required. Third one, select the most appropriate survey type. Four, determine the resource required to undertake the survey. The five, determining who should undertake the survey. Six, determining who should complete the survey. Seven, identify key customer market segment. Eight, identify key service element to include. Nine, prepare the question and answer format. 10, design the analysis and reporting format. 11, determining the sample size and selection. 12, pilot the survey. And then the 13th one, it is adjust and finalize.
Well, consumer service levels. The levels of consumer service within the cost and providing that service this equilibrium is no easy definitive. Although it can easily be described as the point at which the additional revenue for each increment of the service equals the extra cost the providing that increment. And next, the explosion of the consumer service. The role of consumer service as a critical success factor for most companies has become very important again. Service today is the different factor in the consumer decision to the buy one brand over another. A good consumer service can provide the designing the difference between the companies offering and that of the competitor. Therefore, in the consumer strategies must plan and are important in the role in the determining the company strategies in the determining also and the company strategies.
Okay, for the conclusion, we have the importance of accurately measuring customer service was explained. Different measures of order fulfillment word and the concept of the perfect order was described along with simpler version on time on full. Achieving adequate and effective customer service has become a critical success factor for most companies that operate. For most companies operating in today's competitive environment. This chapter was discussed some of the key requirements for successful customer service in logistics. Thank you very much, and that's all.
Thank you so much.